So, hello everyone. So, now today I'm going to tell about the looping statements in the C language. Okay, let us come to the introduction to the loops. Looping statements allow repeating a set of instructions multiple times. They help in reducing code size and avoiding recurrency. Types of loops: there are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. We have three loops. And here is the syntax of the for loop. Here we have the syntax for open parenthesis initialization, semicolon condition, semicolon increment. Increment is nothing that like the values we are increasing from 0 to like certain value, and it's called addition. And the closer the closed it. And next he opened the curly braces and he wrote the statement. Again he closed the curly braces. Like example, printing numbers 1 to 5. Like he's increasing. Like let us take in a box and he is writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. So he, like the it should go from 0 to 5. So here we can see that the increment is happening. So he's telling to print the numbers from 1 to 5. If he'll tell to print the numbers from 5 to 1, like if he told to come to the backwards, so we should do the decrement. So it will become minus minus. So yeah, here we can see int I equals to 1. So it is starting with 1. So he's taken as the I value, like the variable as the 1. So here I is 1. So I is 1, no. So 1 is less than equals to 5. The condition is true. And here increment is happening. So he's taking I plus plus. So at the downside, printf, percentile d is the integer and he is taking the I value. Real life example is repeat taking attendance for the 5 students. The syntax for the while loop. The syntax while, open parenthesis, condition, close parenthesis, and curly braces open, and is writing the statement. Again, he's closing the curly braces. Like example, printing again the numbers 1 to 5. And it is taken as the I equals to 1. While I is less than equals to 5, the condition is true and the curly braces open. Printf percentile d, comma I, and semicolon. In the down, he's taking that. Here he asked only the condition. So that's why he's taking the simple way. So that's why he's taking the increment as I plus plus. And he closed the curly braces. The real life example for this, keep watering plants when the soil is dry. Means repeating the process, like we should see and next we should repeat the process. This is the syntax of the while loop. And this is the syntax of the do while loop. He's giving that do curly braces open and he's writing the statement. Again, he's closing the curly braces while and in the open parenthesis is writing the condition, the semicolon. Like example, int I equals to 1. So do curly braces open, printf, percentile d, comma I. Again, the increment is happening so that he given that I plus plus. Again, he is closing the curly braces and he's writing the while the condition, what we have the condition. So I is less than equals to 5. Here we taken an it will not applicable only for this. So here I have taken an example that the numbers going from 1 to 5. So in every syntax, there is an equal same example. So that's why I have taken the condition as I less than equals to 5. Real life example, play the game at least once and continue it if user wants. Yeah. That's it. Flowcharts for the loops. For loop, we should do the initialization first. Next, we should check the condition. And next, we should execute. And next, we should go for the increment. And next, we should repeat it again. And yeah, the flowchart for the while loop is check condition and execute and repeat. Do while loop, execute, check condition and repeat. And it helps to visualize the flow of control in each loop type. Comparison between loops. Okay, sorry. For loop, we have the comparison means best when number of iterations is known. Like iteration means process, like step 1 process, step 2 process, step 3 process. While loop, best when number of iterations is unknown. The do while loop ensures at least one execution. Example, for known times. For while, user input. Do while, menu driven. Conclusion, loops makes programming efficient and clean. Oops, sorry.